Hello students, welcome in your social study class. Today we will start chapter 5 in history. It means 18th century, the political formation. But I mentioned here when people rebel 1857 and after. In previous chapter, you have seen the tribals group were allowed and disturbance with the East India Company and how people felt rebel kind of feelings to protest East India Company. So here we will understand about the basically revolt 1857 and how political and social development took place during this time. The East India Company affected every society of the every section of the society and adopted restricted policies and action that harm their interests. Nawabs lost their power, which how Nawabs were affected with their powers. Students, since the mid of 18th century, Nawabs and Rajas had gradually lost their power and authority, their freedom, reduced their armed force and disband and their revenue and territory take away. The company adopted policy to the end of Mughal dynasty and thus paved the way of the British government and rule of India. In 18th century, Nawab and Rajas lost their power. The company adopted many policies and British government start their rules. And next point, many ruling family negotiate. Families such as Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi tried to negotiate with the company to protest their interests, but they did not get success. I mentioned here one point, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi wanted adopted son as their heir to the kingdom after the death of her husband. And second point, Nana Sahib also adopted the Peshawar Bajirao II, pleaded that he given his father's pensions when the latter died. And next point, company plan to be success. Now company began to plan to bring an end of the Mughal dynasty to make his plan successfully, and the company took several measurements. And British also started to remove the name of Mughal from their currencies or coins. Which currency or coin made by the Nawabs or Mughal ruler, Britishers removed their name from the coin. And next point I here mentioned here 1801 subsidy alliance imposed in our and 1856 it was taken over. The Dalhousie said there were misgovernment. This subsidiary alliance ruled made by the British government. And here I mention next point, the peasants and the spoils. The peasant and the spoils in the countryside, peasant and jamindar resented the high tax and rigid method of revenue collection, and the Indian spoil were unhappy about their pay allowance, the condition of service. Some of the company's rule even violated their religious sentiments. This everywhere there spread discontentment. That's why this thing also created the problem for peasants. And here the meaning of spy is the employees who doing the work or service under the British rule. The soldier, the Indian soldier, the Indian person who doing the service under the British rule known as a spy. This is very difficult work for the spy because they also Britishers will also create many problem or disturbance for the peasant and spy both. Peasant, they had paid the very high tax, and there some peasant means farmer, but they are poor. If they are poor, they can't pay the tax or revenue to the British, to East India Company. But here I mentioned peasant resisted high taxes and weak revenue collection system. Many failed to pay loan and lost their land. Spoi were unhappy to doing such type of work. They pay allowance and condition of service and new rules violated religious sensibility. People believed if they cross the sea, they will lose their religion of caste. In 1824, the Spoi were asked to go to the Brahma by sea route. If they refuse, but they refused to do it. They wanted to do land route. But in 1856, company passed a new law. If any new person who belonged to India on that time, if we want to be the employee of British government or East India Company, they passed the new rule who look after employee in the British company's army had to agree to service overseas if required. This type of problems created by the British government to our Indian peasant or spoils, or it means soldiers. And students, I hope you understand this topic which I mentioned here today, and I will send you some notes, some defines related to these things. You have to, if you have any queries, any doubt, you contact me, you can ask me, and the last thing I will explain you in our next class. Okay, goodbye, see you in next class.